Let's solve this question. Rearrange 2y minus 8x is equals to 6 into y is equals to mx plus c. How are we going to solve this? So what we need to do is we want to solve 2y minus 8x is equals to 6 in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So what are we going to do? We are going to make y the subject of the formula. So what we do is I will bring out this minus 8x from this left hand side to this right hand side. So what we are going to be having is 2y is equals to 6. Because it is minus here, if it's going to the right hand side to be plus, to be plus 8x. So because y need to stand alone and y is still having 2, so I will divide this by 2, divide everything here by 2. So this cancel this. So our y can now be equals to I can, because there's a plus sign here, I can just give the 2 to the 6 and 8x, so to be 6 over 2 plus 8x over 2. So I can write it as y is equals to 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So the answer is 4x plus 3. Stop wasting time. It is simple.